Well, today it is a mixed bag when we're talking about the weather, with millions of Americans seeing warmer temperatures than they might normally be accustomed to this time of year. But others are dealing with winter weather alerts stretching across parts of North and South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas to Minnesota, with some areas seeing blizzard conditions with up to 22 inches of snow. NBC News meteorologist Michelle Grossman joining us now with the very latest. Michelle, this feels like sort of a medley, if you will, of weather scenarios. How are things shaping up for the rest of the holiday week as people are going to be ultimately traveling back home?
Yeah, you're right about that. Hi, Sam. Merry Christmas. And we are looking at it all as we go throughout this Christmas day. The first one being a white Christmas for some, right? We're looking at blizzard conditions, winds gusting up to 55 miles per hour, really making for tricky travel in the northern plains, parts of the northern plains, parts of the central plains. So hopefully you can kind of hunker down at home and kind of be cozy on the couch. But we could see some power outages there as well. Then on the warm side of the system from the Midwest to the southeast, we are looking at rain falling. Some of it will be heavy, especially in portions of the southeast. That's going to lead to the chance for some flash flooding. Also looking kind of in the middle there where you see that pink and purple, that's looking at the icing conditions in portions of the upper Midwest. That's not the only wet spot. We're looking at lower elevation rain in the Pacific Northwest. This is the next system that's moving on shore. In the Pacific Northwest, we're looking at high elevation snow. And then in the Northeast, we're looking at above average temperatures. This is what radar looks like right now. Clear to see where this storm is. We're looking at the blue, the lighter blue. That's where the snow is falling. And also looking at that rain falling, stretching all the way down to the southeast to the Midwest. Winter alerts stretching from the northern plains, the central plains, into parts of the Midwest. We're going to see this in place until Wednesday, and we're looking up to 22 inches of snow in some spots. That's really local, though. Generally, we're going to see 6 to 12, but it's going to make for really difficult travel today, also tomorrow into the early part of Wednesday. Difficult travel, too, in portions of the Carolinas where you can see those reds, red, also oranges. We're looking at some heavy rain there, Sam. Back to you.
So it is a slice of the country, small slice, that's going to be seeing snow. But those who do see snow may actually be seeing a lot. Meteorologist Michelle Grossman, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.